Hey Scott, hey Andrew. This is the piece I had made for the pump. This fits really nicely, and then it's reduced down to about 1 centimeter hole, which then runs into a 1 centimeter pipe, square pipe. So I'm going to test it now. I plug in the pump. So the pump is running. I'm going to put this piece down over the orifice. We'll see. And I can change the volume. So that's low. And that's high. So it goes up. This is 65 centimeters. So it goes up at least 65 centimeters. I wish I had my pipe. Hang on, let me go get the pipe. Okay, so here's a 1/2-inch piece of tubing. Let's see what happens. Oh, how does that thing go? So it reaches, it's pretty up there. So it's pretty much to the maximum. This little guy here is reduced down to a centimeter hole. Well, this is square, and this is 1/2 inch, so it's bigger than that. And it'll go the height, so that's good. That's good. So I'm thinking maybe maximum height here, maximum total max is 15, so it will fit on the MakerBot build platform. And if you do build it sideways, just know that there's a lip there that has to be taken into account, either with supports, or you can just bring that, one edge all the way down to the bottom, make it flat all the way around. But I think, anyway, it works fairly well.